Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthforyou. Today, we're diving into 13 powerful oils that can fight wrinkles and help you achieve youthful, glowing skin. For years, oils were shunned in skincare, but now we know the right oils are essential allies for a radiant complexion. The secret is choosing the right oil for your skin type and using it properly. We'll guide you through 13 exceptional oils from around the world. Stick around as we unlock the secrets to timeless skin with these natural wonders. First up is argan oil, often called liquid gold, and treasured in Morocco for centuries. Rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, argan oil shields skin from free radicals and locks in moisture. It absorbs quickly, improving elasticity and reducing fine lines without leaving a greasy residue. Warm 2 to 3 drops between your palms and press onto your face and neck after cleansing. This simple ritual seals in hydration and creates a smooth, glowing canvas. Argan oil is a timeless tradition for healthy, youthful skin. Try it as your first step after cleansing for a radiant boost. Next is rosehip seed oil, extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes. Packed with essential fatty acids and natural vitamin A, it accelerates cell turnover and fades age spots. Its vitamin C content boosts collagen, restoring firmness and elasticity. Apply a few drops at night to areas with fine lines or dark spots for a brighter, even-toned complexion. Consistent nightly use reveals smoother, more youthful skin. Pomegranate seed oil is a luxurious elixir rich in punicic acid, a rare fatty acid with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It stimulates skin regeneration and helps slow collagen breakdown, preserving firmness. Mix 1 tablespoon of pomegranate oil with 2 tablespoons of a lighter carrier oil for a potent serum. Apply a few drops nightly to rejuvenate and protect your skin. This blend is a true guardian of your skin's structure. Rose oil, distilled from thousands of petals, is the ultimate luxury in skincare. It hydrates deeply, strengthens the moisture barrier, and delivers antioxidants to fight environmental stress. Always dilute rose oil. Add 1 or 2 drops to a tablespoon of carrier oil for a powerful facial serum. Press onto your skin as the final step in your evening routine for a plump, glowing finish. Indulge in this ritual for both skin and senses. Jojoba oil, technically a liquid wax, mimics your skin's natural sebum. It balances oily skin by regulating sebum and hydrates dry skin without clogging pores. Jojoba forms a protective seal, locking in moisture and softening fine lines. Rich in vitamin E, it defends against environmental stress. Use it as a makeup remover, lightweight moisturizer, or carrier oil for essential oils. Its versatility makes it a staple for any skincare routine. Jojoba is truly your skin's twin. Baobab oil from Africa's Tree of Life is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It boosts collagen production and inhibits enzymes that break down skin structure. Ideal for dry or mature skin, it absorbs quickly and restores softness. Apply a few drops daily to lock in moisture and revive dull skin. Baobab oil is a true protector of youthful skin. Sandalwood oil, cherished in Ayurveda, is a potent anti-inflammatory and astringent. It calms irritation, tightens pores, and firms the skin for a smoother look. Try a sandalwood steam facial. Add a few drops to hot water, drape a towel over your head, and let the steam work its magic. This ritual soothes and purifies, connecting you to ancient beauty traditions. Sandalwood is a timeless skin healer. Carrot seed oil, from wild carrot seeds, is a powerhouse for rejuvenating tired, damaged skin. Its antioxidants shield against environmental stress, while its regenerative properties boost cell renewal and elasticity. Dilute a few drops in a carrier oil for a revitalizing serum. Massage into damp skin, focusing on areas with sun damage or dullness. Regular use restores a luminous, healthy glow. Sea buckthorn oil, from vibrant orange berries, is loaded with vitamins and all 4 omega fatty acids. Its high vitamin C and carotenoid content repair and protect the skin, improving elasticity and smoothing wrinkles. Add 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer or carrier oil to avoid staining. This superfood oil delivers powerful regeneration and protection. Sea buckthorn is a small addition with big results. Geranium essential oil, distilled from fragrant leaves, is a master balancer for all skin types. It regulates sebum, tightens and tones, and boosts circulation for a healthy glow. Add a drop to your moisturizer or create a facial mist with a few drops in rose water. Geranium oil adapts to your skin's needs, promoting harmony and resilience. It's a floral ally in your anti-aging routine. Try it for balanced, vibrant skin. Rosemary oil is a potent tonic for firm, youthful skin, especially for oily or combination types. Its antioxidants protect collagen, while its astringency tightens pores and smooths texture. Add a drop to a clay mask for a purifying, tightening treatment. Rosemary's antibacterial properties keep skin clear and refreshed. Use it for a firmer, more refined complexion. Lavender oil, famous for its calming scent, is also a gentle anti-aging powerhouse. It boosts your skin's natural antioxidants and speeds up cell renewal, helping to fade fine lines and sunspots. Its anti-inflammatory effects create the perfect environment for skin repair. Add a few drops to a diffuser at night for better sleep and skin rejuvenation. Lavender oil is a holistic approach to youthful skin. Let it soothe both your skin and mind. Frankincense oil, the king of oils, is revered for its rejuvenating effects. It encourages cell renewal, tones and lifts, and fades age spots for a radiant complexion. Its anti-inflammatory boswellic acids protect skin structure. Blend a drop or two with a carrier oil and massage into your face and neck at night. Focus on areas with fine lines for firmer, smoother skin. Frankincense connects you to an ancient tradition of skin preservation. There you have it, 13 incredible oils to fight wrinkles and reveal radiant, youthful skin. Skincare is personal, so listen to your skin and choose what works for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more from Health4You. Tell us in the comments. Which oil are you most excited to try? Share your experiences and questions below. Thanks for watching. See you next time for more health and beauty tips.